today's video, we are going to break down SQL's execution order. The order in which SQL processes different parts of your query. Understanding this is crucial if you want to write more efficient and accurate SQL queries. We'll walk through the SQL execution process step by step, from and where all the way to order by. I'll show you exactly how each part of your query is processed, and how to ensure you are using the right logic in your queries. Here is the summary of execution of order. From, determine the data source, tables, joins, etc. Then join, perform any joins between tables. Then where, filter rows based on conditions. Then group by, group rows for aggregation. Then having, filter groups after aggregation. Then select the columns to return. Then distinct, remove duplicate rows, if specified. Then order by, sort the result set. Then limit offset, limit the number of rows returned, if specified. So let's move to understand it. We have two tables: employees and departments. Now, let's say we want to get the average salary in each department, and only departments where the average salary is more than 60,000. Let's write the query and see the execution order. Select E.Department name, average, E.Salary, as average salary from employees. Join departments. D.Department ID is equal to E.Department ID group by D.Department name having average, E.Salary, 60,000 order by average salary descending. Let me explain this query. The query starts by fetching data from the employees table, aliased as E, and the departments table, aliased as D. These two tables are connected via the department ID column in both tables. The employees table, E, is joined with the departments table, D, on the department ID column. This creates a combination of rows from both tables based on matching department ID. After this operation, we have the data set where each employee has an associated department. There is no where clause in this query. So, no filtering happens at this point. Every row from the result of the join is considered for further processing. Then the rows are grouped by department name. This means that all employees who belong to the same department, based on department name, are grouped together. For each group, department, the aggregation functions will be applied. After grouping, the query computes the average salary for each department. The selected columns are department name and the average salary for that department. This gives one row per department, with the department name and its average salary. After the aggregation step, the having clause filters out any departments where the average salary is not greater than 60,000. The having clause works after the group by operation, meaning it filters the groups, departments, that resulted from the aggregation. For example, if the average salary in the marketing department is 55,000, that department would be excluded from the final result. The result is then ordered by average salary in descending order, meaning the departments with the highest average salary will appear first in the final result set. Let me show you another example including where clause. I copied the first query and paste it. After that I am going to filter the IT and operation department having more than 60,000 salary. Let me add this condition. Where D.Department name in, IT, operations. This query is almost the same as the first one, but with an added where clause that filters the rows before aggregation. Let's walk through the steps. In this query, the where clause filters the rows before any grouping or aggregation happens. In this case, it limits the rows to only those where the department name is either IT or operations. Only employees in the IT and operations departments are included in the result set for further processing. That's all for this video. Encourage you to practice by writing your own SQL queries and paying close attention to how the order affects your results. Try out queries with different clauses and see how changing their position impacts the output. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out. Also, let me know if you've ever run into issues because of SQL execution order. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thank you.